everybody, welcome along to the channel again. You're all doing good. Another nice day. Been out and about on the bike today. Having been a little vlog on the way home. Actually on a week's holiday from work this week. Jobs to do at home, but also to get out on the bike. So where I've been today, I've met one of my close buddies. His bike was just back on the road after the winter. Believe it or not, here we are, into May. That's him back on the road now, so he was delighted to be out for a bit of a jaunt. We actually bumped into a guy, an old guy in a petrol station. We were standing chatting, and this old guy pulled up on a 1988 Yamaha FZR 1000 Genesis, immaculate. When the guy got off, took his helmet off, he was this old guy. Stood and chatted to us for about half an hour. It was brilliant. It was 77 he is, and he's still riding sports bikes, which is great, good for him. And he had, he's done all sorts, but he used to race sidecars way back in the late 60s, early 70s. He was the passenger, and he got the Railman GT back in 1971, I think it was, he said. But didn't finish the race because the crankshaft broke to Griebe Castle. Isn't it bit what you bump into? Fair play, 77, still riding bikes. Certainly hope I'm doing that. That's my aim anyway. Keep riding. So yeah, after that we headed to the local bike shop and looked at all the stuff that we got before. Caught up with a couple of people in there. Yeah. That's about it really. Nothing too exciting. Just a bit of a nice to be out on the bike. It's a bit chilly still, I can't believe I'm saying that. It's 6th of May at the time of filming this, and I have got on my heated vest and I have got on my heated gloves. I don't really need them, but it's nicer with them on. And that's awful. There we are, like I say, into May. Still not warm. What's going on? Getting fed up now. We need a bit of heat. Yeah. What do you think, guys? Are you still going to be riding into your 70s? I certainly hope so. I've always said I would keep going as long as I was physically able to do it. So hopefully I've got quite a long time to go yet, but you never know. Yeah, what about you guys? Something similar, I guess. Maybe family pressures. Make you stop. Make you stop. Trying out the intercom thing again today, cheapo Amazon intercom. Yeah, still not convinced. Inquired about a Cardo alternative when I was in the bike show, but yeah, between 160 and 200 quid for something from Cardo. I don't think I can justify that at the moment. headphones in and the music on. I've never done that. Decades of riding bikes. In fact, I don't know, I think I just prefer to hear the engine. Right to the road. So, don't really mind about that side of it, music side of it. The guy in the shop was trying to press on me that it had an FM radio, but I don't care. I listen to the radio when I'm out on the bike. Yeah. What else? Phone calls. I can see the point of a phone call because yeah, I could be reached, which yeah could be handy here and there, but I don't tend to do massive long stints in the saddle anyway. I just stop quite a few times when I'm out. First thing I do obviously would be check my phone if I missed anything. So yeah, not really fussed about it. The thing that does appeal to me is the bike-to-bike intercom. When you want to chat with somebody, my buddy on his bike, he has a car now. But yeah, I think if we could chat as we were riding along, yeah, that could be interesting. Yeah, I'd like to do that. Work out how you record it, because depending on the content, I'm sure we could make some YouTube videos. Probably have to come with a warning. I think quite a lot of swearing. The subject matter could be questionable as well. Anyway, that's for the future perhaps. So yeah, I don't think I'll bother with the intercom that I have for now. I'm just going to remove it all from the helmet again. Just forget that. Going on. I've got the Lex Tech slip-on can, still sounding lovely as ever. It was interesting to be actually out riding with someone today, because he said from his point behind me most of the time he didn't think it was loud at all, but I'm just riding along here at 30 miles an hour in a town, village, and it's loud to me. It's really quite loud to me. But yeah, it's a good loud. I like it. I was worried that it might attract attention, but unwanted attention. But no, according to my friend, anyway, it's not. It's not too loud. Quite happy with that. Roundabout with parking spaces. Never seen anything like it. Ridiculous. So yeah. Anything happening with you lot? Been up to anything? Not sure how this video will turn out. Sound, as always, seems to be a bit of an issue. Well, it's not been too bad lately, but I have been keeping the speed down. Well, not far from home now, people. We're just in a line of traffic here, really, so much more to say. I'll just squirt past here. I'll squirt. So yeah, I think I'll probably just sign it off for now. Very quick, short, rubbish video, but hey, I'll upload it anyway. And one day it might start being watched. I'll become a world. I don't care about famous. I'm a world famous influencer, but well, as I say, I don't care about famous. It's really taking a turn for the worse now, people. So shall leave it there. If you like, although I doubt it very much, like, subscribe, share, follow, and all that kind of stuff. Goodbye for now.